with the confetti cannon, guys, we don't know when it's going to go off, and it's instantaneously. So
once you guys, we'll start tweeting clues at 9:30. So
oh god, I know somebody's going to get it. I'm going to make a prediction. We made this prediction earlier. I know for a fact. I think before 10 o'clock, James the Nerd's going to get it.
Okay, I kid you guys not. Jared and I, every fucking week. Let me try that again. Every fucking week. We've been talking about how scared we are that we're going to turn the cannon on and James the Nerd is going to guess it and it's going to fire in our faces. And we know he's going to get it before we even tweet the first clue. And if he doesn't, then I don't know. But I'm deathly afraid of James the Nerd.
Oh my god!
Who got it? Who got it?
Oh my god!
Who got it?
Oh my god! The clue didn't even go out yet.
Who got it?
Holy
shit!
Who
got it? It was James the fucking Nerd!
Oh my god. That was fucking terrifying. It's in the fan.
Oh, there's some stuck in the fan. We're gonna hear that noise now. You hear that?
Thanks, James the Nerd.